Hey everybody, it's Big Guy from Big Guy Reviews. Welcome back to the channel, and here we are today. I'm so excited. So you are looking at the new Forma Terra Evo Low, and this is the brown version. They make a black version, and what you're going to be looking at and hearing about today is the review, the final review, technically the final review of my Forma Adventure Lows. And then we're going to hear a little bit about these. I'm going to try them on and kind of compare these new out of the box versus what I remember these to be new out of the box. Now keep in mind, I reviewed these boots on February 14th of 2016, so that's 5.5 years ago. I rode them primarily for the first 4 years with just my adventure bike, my BMW R1200 GS Adventure, and then I started wearing them with my quad. I've got a Polaris 850 quad, and so they really served me well. I didn't need anything to go all the way up like a big boot does, like a motocross boot. So I kind of tried these out one day, and then they worked well, and I just kept using them. But as you can see, man, I have beat the crap out of these things, and they just keep coming back for more. The buckle system still works like it should. The Velcro holds like it should. They're still just as comfortable as they ever were. They're just as waterproof as they ever were. I have absolutely no complaints. Separating maybe a touch right there. I could fix that with a little super glue. I've got a little bit of wear right here. I could fix that if I wanted to, but yeah, for the money, I think I paid $250 for these, and I thought that was pretty expensive, but now 5.5 years later, I'm going to tell you that's a steal. So these things get the best rating I can possibly give something. So we're going to move over. I'm going to replace these, at least from an adventure perspective, with these new Forma Terra Evo Low boots. They're supposed to be more of an off-road. They have the shank in the middle, so when you ride, you can stand up in the middle, and if you look, it's a little more beefy right there. So I know that about it. I don't really know a lot other than they're supposed to be more heavy duty than the Adventure Low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these things and try them on, and I'll tell you a little bit about the comfort momentarily. Hey everybody, so welcome back. As you can see, I am now wearing my new boots, and I gotta tell you, I very rarely expect things to be awesome, but these I truly expected to fit awesome, and they rewarded me with every bit of my expectation and more. These things are so comfortable. They're exactly like I remember my Adventure Lows being right out of the box. I couldn't believe it. I can definitely feel that they're stiffer, which is good because you want to be able to stand up and ride, but these things feel amazing. So just to give you the details, I wear an 11 wide. I'm really anywhere between a 10.5 and 11 wide, but 11 wide's where I want to be normally in most shoes and boots. So with the Adventure Lows, I had to send them back a couple of times. I wound up buying the US 12, which is the European 46, and that was perfect in those, and that's absolutely perfect in these. So I have no reason to believe that if you order one size larger than you normally wear, they should fit you. That's not a guarantee. That's just what I experienced, and it's also what Average Guy experienced with his Adventure Lows. So anyway, these things, I'm going to highly recommend these, at least to try them out. So I'm going to go try them on my adventure bike, and let's see what happens. So anyway, do us a favor, like, subscribe to the channel. We need to get some more subscribers. That would help us out a lot, and we just appreciate you guys following along, and we'll review more things that come up that interest you. If you got any suggestions, please let us know in the comments, but otherwise we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.